Good morning, Silapot. My name is John Jules Bigagin. I'm with 9 City Hall. This my video will talk about solving quadratic equation by extracting squares, factoring, completing the square, and quadratic formula. We can start now how to solve quadratic equation for method. First, my explain is solving quadratic equation by extracting the squares. Ang ating gamitin formula is x squared equals k. The given is x squared equals 81. So, x squared equals 81. Then, we get both sides squares. Then, positive, negative. Then, we'll cancel squares. Square and down x equals positive, negative. Sa 81, ang perfect square ani is 9. So, these are the answer. Or, pwede ni sila ibungkag x equals 9. Then, x equals negative 9. So, these are the answer. Pwede ni kani answer. Pwede sa ibungkag mo. My explain is solving quadratic equation by factoring. The given is x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. First, we can be factor into two binomial. Two parentheses. Factor sa x squared is x. Then human, mangita sa factor sa 10, ika-plus mo mahimog 7. So, mangita sa factor sa 10. 10 times 1, negative 10 times negative 1, negative 5 times negative 2, 5 times 2. So, ano man sa mangita sa factor, mangita sa ka-plus mo mahimog 7. So, mauni ang factor na nato gamiton ka-solve nato. Dili mauli ang plus 5 plus 2. After, we can set each factor equals to 0. Then, x plus 5 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. X equals positive 5 ika-transpose mo may mo negative 5. So, these are the answer. Next, x equals positive 2 ika-transpose mo may mo negative 2. These are the answer of factoring. The given is x squared plus bx plus 10 equals 0. Next, my explain is solving quadratic equation by completing square. The formula of completing square is x squared plus bx plus parenthesis b divided by 2 parenthesis square. The given is x squared plus 6x equals 7. 6x squared plus 6x equals 7. Humana na, we can get both side the parenthesis b divided by 2 parenthesis square plus b divided by 2 square. Human, x square plus 6x plus sa b ani is 6. So 6 divided by 2. square 6 7 plus 6 divide 2 square x square plus 6x plus 6 6 divided by 2 equals 3 3 square. So 3 square is 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. After, the left side is now a perfect square trinomial which can be factor. Ang factor ni x square plus 6x plus 9 is x plus 3 square equals 7 plus 9 is 16. Then we get both sides zeros, positive, negative. Cancel zeros, cancel square. And down x plus 3 equals sa 16. Sa perfect square sa 16 is 4 plus 4. X equals positive 3. Tampos nimo may mo negative 3. Positive, negative 4. After, we can separate into equation and solve for x. X equals negative 3 plus 4. X equals 1. So, these are the answer. Next, x equals negative 3 minus 4. X equals, kapag nani ang sign niya, ibig sabihin nito, mo plus ni siya. Negative 3 plus negative 4 equals 7. So, these are the answer of completing square. The given is x square plus 6x equals 7. My last explain is solving quadratic equation by formula. The given is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. First, we can identify the values for A, B, and C. The A is 2, B is 3, C is negative 2. After, we can write the formula of quadratic formula. X equals negative B positive negative zeros B square minus 4AC all over 2A. After, we can substitute identify the values of A, B, and C into the quadratic formula. X equals B is 3 positive negative zeros 3 square minus 4 is 2. C is negative 2 all over 2 is 2. After, we can simplify the expression under the zeros. X equals negative 3 positive negative 3 square is 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9. Negative 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals positive 16 plus 16 over 2 times 2 equals 4. After, we can calculate the inside the zeros. X equals negative 3 positive negative equals zeros 16 plus 9 equals 25 over 4. Then x equals 3 positive negative. Ang perfect square sa 25 is 5. over 4. After, we can calculate the into equation possible solution for x equals negative 3 plus 5 over 4. X equals 2 over 4. X equals, so divide 2 equals 1/2. So these are the answer. And x equals negative 3 minus 5 over 4. X equals, pag nani ang sign, ibig sabihin mo plus ni. Plus mo negative 8 over 4. Divide 4, divide by 4. X equals negative 2. So these are the answer of quadratic formula.